Why do most homemade waffles disappoint? That sad, flimsy texture just doesn't cut it, right? But today, we're changing that forever. Get ready to ditch those soggy failures, because I'm sharing the secret to true Belgian waffle perfection. Crispy on the outside, fluffy inside, and holding every drop of syrup. This isn't just a recipe, it's a game changer for your breakfast, and it's easier than you think. All right, let's dive in. You'll need flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, melted butter, and eggs. But here's the trick. We're separating those eggs. First, whisk your dry ingredients. In another bowl, combine milk, melted butter, and egg yolks. This creamy base gives incredible richness. Now, gradually add wet to dry, stirring just until combined. Don't overmix, lumps are fine. The real magic happens with those egg whites. Whip them into stiff peaks. This is your ticket to that airy, light interior. Gently fold those fluffy whites into your batter. This delicate step prevents heavy, flat waffles. See that beautiful, airy batter? That's the secret to their signature height. Now, ladle this glorious batter into your preheated waffle iron. Cook until golden brown and crispy, and prepare for pure breakfast bliss. The aroma alone will have your family racing to the kitchen. These aren't just waffles, they're an experience. Crisp, fluffy, utterly irresistible. Click here for my ultimate pancake recipe next.